Today we're going to talk about receding hairlines. I'm going to show you exactly how to cover up your receding hairlines. Hi everyone, welcome to my Microlocs channel, which is all about microlocks. If this is something that benefits you, be sure to subscribe. All right, now that your hair is nice and wet and damp, actually, because you don't want it to be soaking wet. Now that it's nice and damp, you're gonna need some pipe cleaners. But pipe cleaners is one of the easiest things to use to curl locks. I take this, I cut it because my micro locks are short. If my micro locks were long, I wouldn't cut it. Then, now that it's cut, I fold it like that, and I create almost like a screw, like this. I go ahead and I take the ends of the micro lock, I wrap it around. So after I wrap it around, I'm just gonna roll it up like this. After I'm done rolling it up, this is kind of what we have. I just kind of curl it up like that. Your hair should be dry before doing this, completely and 100%. You go ahead, you open this like an envelope, right? And you just undo what you did before. Here's what we have after freshly taking out the rollers. I'm gonna turn around. I may have one or two pipe cleaners still in there. Gotta get your coconut oil. That's what I use. You don't have to use this. I get coconut oil made for me, like literally. I love coconut oil. Then I'm gonna go ahead and fluff this out because I want each micro lock to live its own life and not be in these clumps of curls. Hi again. So before I go, I want to give you some tips to achieving this hair, but first be sure to subscribe. It's really gonna help the channel and it definitely motivates me to make more videos like this. All right, so tip number one, when you're putting in your pipe cleaners, make sure you're rolling the front micro locks to forward. Roll it like this so that when you pull it out, it's already curling forward. The next tip is tie your hair in the direction that you want it to go. So I make sure that the front rows of my hair are kind of just tied forward so that it's easier to manipulate. And then the last most important tip is get ready to use pins. So I use pins. It's not on the prettiest thing, but I use pins to place my micro locks, my unruly micro locks in the right places. So I have a ton of pins in my hair. And one thing I want to show you, this is a really important trick for those of you with the receding hairline who want to cover up that receding hairline. If your micro locks are short, they're sticking straight up like this, right? You want to take it, you want to turn it in like this, and then you see how it's like over my thumb? So, and then you want to pin it like this so that the ends kind of stay down like that. You see what I'm saying? I can't see it in a mirror, so I don't know if I did it right, but basically if I didn't do that loop-de-loop or whatever I'm describing there, if I didn't do that, the micro lock would just stick straight up. So I do this across my hairline, just right maybe up to my temples to create a realistic hairline. And I have a ton of these in my hair. I'll take them out. All right, so when I actually pull my curls back, you can really see it, you know, how much I really covered. A lot of this faded area, I was able to cover it. All right, and that's it. Once again, remember to subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure to add them in the comments below. Talk to you soon. Bye.